Hola, hoy vamos a practicar vocabulario de vegetales en español. Bienvenidos a Spanish Boost with Jesús. Buena suerte. The first one is carrot. How do you say carrot in Spanish? Zanahoria. Muy bien. Now, how do you say onion in Spanish? Cebolla. Let's go with cucumber. Pepino. Bien. Now, how do you say lettuce? Lechuga. Correcto. Más fácil. How do you say garlic now? Ajo. Ajo. Now, peas. Guisantes. Let's go with celery. How do you say celery in Spanish? Apio. Now radish. Rábano. Excelente. This one can be easy. Artichoke. Alcachofa. Looks similar. Now, tomato. Tomate, don't get confused. Now, zucchini. Be careful. Calabacín, that's correct. Now let's see if you remember how to say eggplant. Berenjena, excelente. Now, pepper. Be careful with the answer. Pimiento. Now, parsley. Perejil. Bien. Now let's see if you know turnip. Nabo. Perfecto. And sweet potato. Batata with B. Batata. Now cabbage. Do you know cabbage in Spanish? Col. Correcto. Muy bien. And corn. That's very famous. Maíz. Excelente. Now mushroom. But in Spanish. Champiñón. Eso, muy bien.
Y eso es todo. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you've learned a lot of new words about vegetales en español. Hasta luego.